Are you tired of the endless battle against pet hair, dirt, and grime on your floors? Look no further than this Bissell Symphony Pet Steam Mop and Vacuum Cleaner. This innovative all-in-one cleaning device is designed to tackle pet messes with ease, combining powerful vacuuming with the natural sanitizing power of steam. Let's dive into why the Bissell Symphony is a game-changer for pet owners and anyone looking to keep their home spotless with minimal effort. Before we get into the technical details, it's important to note that every Bissell purchase supports the Bissell Pet Foundation. This foundation is dedicated to helping save homeless pets, so your investment in this product not only benefits your home but also contributes to a noble cause. The Bissell Symphony Pet Steam Mop and Vacuum Cleaner is designed to make cleaning a breeze by combining two essential functions into one device. It allows you to vacuum up pet hair and debris while simultaneously steam cleaning your floors. This dual-action functionality saves you time and effort, making it an ideal solution for busy households. Imagine being able to vacuum and steam clean your floors in one pass, leaving them spotless and sanitized without breaking a sweat. The Bissell Symphony makes this possible, transforming your cleaning routine. One of the standout features of the Bissell Symphony is its steam cleaning capability. Cleaning with the natural power of steam sanitizes your floors, eliminating 99.9% of germs and bacteria. This is particularly important for pet owners who want to ensure their floors are not just clean, but also hygienic. The steam function uses microfiber pads to lift and lock in dirt, providing a deep clean that traditional mops don't match. The ability to sanitize your floors with steam provides peace of mind, knowing that your home is free from harmful germs and bacteria. The Bissell Symphony is equipped with the innovative drop-it tank emptying system. This feature allows you to empty the dirt tank without getting your hands dirty. Simply press a button, and the debris is released into the trash. This hygienic design ensures that you never have to touch the mess, making the cleaning process even more convenient. For added versatility, the Bissell Symphony includes both disposable pads and washable microfiber pads. The disposable pads are perfect for handling particularly messy pet accidents, allowing you to throw away the mess immediately after cleaning. The washable microfiber pads are ideal for everyday cleaning, providing a reusable and eco-friendly option. Whether dealing with a major pet mess or performing routine cleaning, the Bissell Symphony offers the flexibility you need with both disposable and washable pads. The Bissell Symphony's cyclonic vacuum technology ensures powerful suction to capture pet hair and debris effectively. This vacuum system works on various surfaces, including bare floors and sealed hard floors, making it versatile for different areas of your home. The 25-foot power cord provides ample reach, allowing you to clean large areas without constantly changing outlets. The Bissell Symphony is designed with user convenience in mind. It features a detachable mop pad tray and steam boost tray, making it easy to switch between different cleaning modes. The swivel head design allows for easy maneuverability around furniture and tight spaces. Additionally, the device is lightweight, making it easy to carry from room to room. The user-friendly design of the Bissell Symphony ensures that cleaning your home is a hassle-free experience, with features that enhance convenience and efficiency. Conclusion: the Bissell Symphony Pet Steam Mop and Vacuum Cleaner is a revolutionary cleaning tool that combines the power of a vacuum with the sanitizing capabilities of steam. This all-in-one device simplifies your cleaning routine, making it easier to maintain a spotless and hygienic home, especially if you have pets. From the powerful cyclonic vacuum to the steam sanitization and the convenient drop-it tank emptying system, every feature is designed to enhance your cleaning experience. If you're looking for a reliable, efficient, and versatile cleaning solution, the Bissell Symphony is the perfect choice. Experience the convenience and thoroughness of this exceptional steam mop and vacuum cleaner, and enjoy a cleaner and fresher home every day. Transform your cleaning routine with the Bissell Symphony Pet Steam Mop and Vacuum Cleaner. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and make your purchase today. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.